Pundits are calling this new decade the Industrial Revolution 4.0, led by renewables. Our audience is particularly interested in moving heavy industries off Earth and building the next layer of energy infrastructure to someday support work from home from Mars. What are the obstacles to scaling solar solutions for large-scale applications? And can you speak to the nuances around mining, fabrication, manufacturing facilities on Earth versus imagining these capabilities in space?
I think one of the biggest problems we've had as an industry is translating it into something everybody can understand. When you talk about taking industries and putting them in space, that's like saying I'm going to go build a power plant in Antarctica, or I'm going to go put it at the bottom of the ocean. That would be incredibly expensive and very painful, but that isn't even as hard as it will be to do things on orbit. And so I think one of the answers to the question you asked is, we're going to have to get comfortable with nuclear energy again, is the honest answer to your question. Compact nuclear energy is what's going to make it happen. Nuclear has been a four-letter word ever since. A lot of pick your favorite nuclear accident. But the bottom line is, the only way we really unlock the potential of space is to get back in touch with nuclear energy options, nuclear reactors, and nuclear propulsion. People don't like to talk about it because it's not always popular, but you can't keep building ginormous solar arrays. We can't keep using chemical rockets. It's not going to get us where we want to be. It's not 1945 anymore, right? It's 2025 almost. Guys like Arthur C. Clarke and other men and women who've written about the future envision something much more inspiring than what we have today. I think it's time to get real with technology we have in hand if we want to realize those types of futures. But it'd be great to move things off planet. And I know Jeff Bezos is a real fan of this idea, obviously, but we're pretty far away from that, and we can't even agree whether we can launch a nuclear reactor on orbit to help realize some of these things. We've got a little bit of work to do as a society to get there.
We definitely need better PR for space.